Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to start practice set 3.3. In this video, we solve the example based on the nth term and as well as the sum of first n terms of an AP. So watch the video carefully and up to end. Second example, find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Solution, first 123 even natural numbers. Or we start from 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. We don't know the nth term. Here we don't write the nth term. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 2 and N is equal to 123. Here we know all these three terms required for the sum of n term. Write down the formula n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus in small bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into d. Now substitute the values 123 upon 2 into bracket 2 into 2 plus 123 minus 1 bracket complete into 2. Here in the numerator 123, that is a odd number. When we divide by 2 we get a fraction, decimal fraction. So we write as it is. Here 2 into 2 4, 122 into 2, 123 upon 2 in bracket 4 plus 244. Here we divide 248 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Therefore, here 123 into 124. The multiplication is 15,252. Write down the answer. The sum of first 123 even natural numbers is 15,252. हाच प्रश्न इथं इव्हनच्या ऐवजी ऑड नंबरने सुद्धा विचारले जाऊ शकतात. त्यावेळेला ए काय असणार आहे 1 3 5 7 ह्या पद्धतीने म्हणजे ए इज इक्वल टू 1 डी 2 असणार आहे आणि यांची व्हॅल्यू जी दिलेली आहे त्याप्रमाणे. Solve this example in your note. Third example, find the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350. इथं फ्रॉम म्हणलेत म्हणजे 1 पासून ते 350 पर्यंतचे. मग 350 is also even number. So write down the all even numbers from 1 to 350 are 2, 4, 6, 8, so on 348, 350. If here the word is given between, then we take 2 to 348. Between means त्याच्यामधले म्हणजे from 1 to 350 याच्यामधले म्हणजे 350 येणार नाही. इथं मात्र 350 येणार आहे कारण इथं फ्रॉम दिलेला आहे. Here a is equal to 2, d is equal to 2 and nth term that is 350. Here we calculate n using nth term formula. Now substitute the values. Nth term that is 350, a is equal to 2, d is equal to 2. 350 is equal to 2 plus 2n minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancels. Therefore, 350 is equal to 2n. Therefore, n is equal to 350 upon 2. Therefore, n is equal to 175. Here, now we get value of a, d and n. So, write down a is equal to 2, d is equal to 2 and n is equal to 175. Nth term, a sum of all n term is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. Complete the square bracket. Now substitute the values. 175 upon 2 in square bracket 2 into 2 plus 175 minus 1 into 2. Sum of n terms, that is 175 terms, is equal to 175 upon 2 in square bracket 4 plus 174 into 2. Here 4 as it is, 174 into 2, 348. 4 plus 348, that is equal to 352. We divide 352 by 2, 2 1 remains 1, become 15, 2 7 14 remains 1, 2 6 Write down 175 into 176 is equal to 30,800. So write down the answer. The sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350 is equal to 30,800. If here the word is given between, then we take the numbers up to 348. Then this number will be changed. Therefore, this answer is also changed. In Marathi medium textbook, the answer is given according to 348. Because there is given that the question is 1 ते 350 मधील सर्व समसंख्यांची बेरीज. असा तो प्रश्न आहे, त्यामुळं इथं आन्सर चेंज होणार आहे. कारण आपण TN nth टर्म काय घेणार आहोत, त्यावेळेला जर बिटवीन हा शब्द असला असता तर 348 घेतलं असतं. हा भाग समजलाय? Write down this example in your notebook. Fourth example, in an AP 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 terms. Solution. Here, what is given? 19th term is given, 38th term is given, and find out the sum of first 56 terms. Write down the nth term formula is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into d. 19th means n is 19, a plus 19 minus 1 into d. But 19th term, that is 52, is equal to a plus 19 minus 1, that is 18d. This is equation 1 in terms of a and d. This is a linear equation in two variables. Now we find out another linear equation. 38 term is equal to a plus 38 minus 1 into bracket complete into d. That is equal to 128 is equal to a plus 37d. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. 128 is equal to a plus 37d. This is statement number, equation number 2, minus 52 is equal to a plus 18d. This is equation 1. Now here we subtract, therefore sign will be changed. This is minus, minus, minus. 128 minus 52, 76 is equal to a cancel, plus a minus a. 37 minus 18, that is equal to 19d. Therefore d is equal to 76 divided by 19 is equal to 4. Now substitute the value of d in equation, any equation that we substitute this in equation 1. Substituting the d is equal to 4 in equation 1. 52 is equal to a plus 18 into d. This is equation 1. 52 is equal to a plus 18 into 4. 52 is equal to 1 plus 72. 18 into 4, 72. A is equal to 52 minus 72. That is A is 20 minus 20. Sorry, A is equal to minus 20, D is equal to 4 and N is equal to 56. Now find out the sum of first 56 term. First write down the formula n upon 2 into square bracket 2a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d square bracket complete. Now substitute the values. 56 upon 2, 2 into minus 20 plus 56 minus 1 into 4. Here 56 upon 2, that is 28. 2 into minus 20 minus 40 plus 55 into 4. 28 as it is, minus 40 plus 220. First 56 term, sum of first 56 terms is equal to 28 into 180. We get the answer, that is 5040. Write down the answer in your, complete this example in your notebook. Sixth example, sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Find its 20th term. Solution. Write down sum of n term. Now substitute the values. We know how many first, sum of first 55 terms. Therefore 55 upon 2 into square bracket 2a plus 55 minus 1 into d. Sum of first 55 term, that is 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2 into 2a plus 54d. इथं जर आपण ऑब्झर्वेशन केलं तर इथं 2 कॉमन निघेल, तर ते 2 कॉमन काढूया. 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2 into 2 into bracket a plus 27d. आता हे 2 काय होतील? 2 1 2 1. Therefore 3300 is equal to 55 into bracket a plus 27d. Therefore 3300 divided by 55 is equal to a plus 27d. 11 5 11 3 0 0 as it is. 5 1 5 6 0 as it is. 5 6 30 0 as it is. Therefore 60 is equal to a plus 27d. This is statement number 1. आता 28th टर्म काढूया. nth टर्मच्या फॉर्म्युल्याने a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d. 20th term means replace n by 28. Therefore 20th term is equal to a plus 27d. This is statement number 2. From 1 and 2, 20th term is equal to 60 from 1 and 2. Complete this example in your notebook. Write down the answer. 20th term of an AP is equal to 60. 7th example. In an AP, sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. Assume that the 3 consecutive terms in AP are a minus d, a plus d. If there are 5 consecutive terms, then a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Let the 3 consecutive terms in an AP are a minus d, a plus d. If there are 4 terms, then we write 4 terms a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d. If 5 terms, a plus 2d. 4 terms we write down in this way, or a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Either this way or this way. If 4 terms are there. If 5 terms are there, a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Is this clear? So now what is the given condition? Sum of 3 consecutive term is 27. Therefore a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 27. A minus d plus a plus d. Minus d plus d cancel. Therefore 3a is equal to 27. Therefore a is equal to 9. Now product of 3 consecutive terms is equal to 504. A minus d into a plus d bracket complete is equal to 504. A minus d, a plus d. Now substitute the value of a here. 9 minus d into 9 into another bracket 9 plus d. 9 minus d, 9 plus d. That is 9 square minus d square. 81 minus d square. 9 as it is. Product of these two bracket is equal to 81 minus d square. Now this 9 we bring on right hand side. Here multiplication. So when we change the side, opposite, that is division. 81 minus d square is equal to 504 divided by 9. 9 1 za 9 5 za. 50 minus 45 remain 5, become 54, 9 6 za. Therefore the answer is here 81 minus d square is equal to 56. Therefore 81 minus 56. This 56 we bring on left hand side. At the same time, this minus d square we bring on right hand side. Therefore this minus d square become plus d square. 81 minus 56. Therefore d square is equal to 25. Therefore d is equal to plus or minus square root of 25 plus 5 or minus 5. Now we calculate a minus d and a plus d by both the values. Here we use 5. Therefore a minus d is equal to 4. A plus d, that is 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Similarly, here we calculate a minus d, that is 9 minus 5 is equal to 14. A plus d is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Therefore, the consecutive terms are 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4. Eighth example, find the four consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and the third and the fourth term is 14. Assume the four consecutive terms in an AP are a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Solution. Let the four consecutive terms are a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Sum of four consecutive terms is equal to 12. Therefore, a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 12. Therefore, a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 12. Here minus d plus d cancels. 4a plus 2d is equal to 12. Therefore, 2a plus d is equal to 6. This is statement number 1. Sum of third and fourth term is 14. That is, therefore, a plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 14. Therefore, 2a plus 3d is equal to 14. This is equation 2. 2a plus 3d is equal to 14. This is 1. Second, 2a plus d is equal to 6. This is 1. Now here we subtract. When we subtract, terms of second term are changed. Signs are changed. Minus 2a minus d minus 6. Therefore, d is equal to 8. Therefore, d is equal to 4. Now substituting the values in equation 1, 2a plus 4 is equal to 6. Therefore, 2a is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Therefore, a minus d is equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. A plus d, that is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. A plus 2d, that is 1 plus 2 into 4 is equal to 9. Therefore, four consecutive terms in AP are -3, 1, 5 and 9. Last example from practice set 3.3. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that 29th term is the twice of 19th term. Here we use nth term formula, that is nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d. Now substitute the value of n, that it is ninth term is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 bracket complete into d, that is equal to, but ninth term is equal to 0, therefore 0 is equal to a plus 8d. Therefore a is equal to minus 8d. This is equation 1. 29th term is equal to a plus 29 minus 1 into d. Therefore, 29th term is equal to a plus 28d. Therefore, 29th term is equal to now substitute the value of a, that is minus 8d plus 28d is equal to 20d. This is statement number 2 from 1. Here we substitute the value of a. Now find out the value of 19th term, that is a plus in bracket 19 minus 1 into d. 19th term is equal to, now here substitute the value of a, that is minus 8a plus 8d minus 8d plus 18d is equal to 10d. This is statement number 3 from 1. What is the statement number 1? A is equal to minus 8d. Therefore, 29th term is equal to 20d. This is second statement. Now, 29th term we write in this way, 2 into 10d. From third statement, 10d is equal to 19th term. Therefore, 29th term is equal to 2 into 19th term. 10d is equal to 19th term. Here we show that the 29th term is twice of the 19th term. Here we complete the practice set 3.3. In our next lecture, we solve the examples based on the application of an AP. Thank you.